why we forced it.
But it used to be a gold
opportunity. It was wonderful.
It was a really good experience. Great technical support from Pytes. They helped us get the site operating with actually several different versions of the e-box battery. So there's several different vintages on this site that's been performing beautifully. Pytes team has been very supportive of our efforts. Everyone from Pytes was very helpful, getting us up to speed and getting us the appropriate tools and walking us through how to update the firmware on these batteries and making sure that the inverter system and the battery system were communicating correctly together. We've had nothing but good experiences with all the batteries put in service. That's the e-box and the V5. Just as it pertains to this site in particular, there's almost 290 kilowatt hours storage in closed loop with the inverter system, and not a lot of other competitor products can say the same in terms of the amount of storage that you can put behind each inverter. And this site's been operating extremely well. There's a lot of load on the site. We have no complaints so far, and with the V5 as well.